Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing Roblox and stopping both Roblox Player, EXE and Roblox Studio. EXE, that prevents file locks. Next, restart your router and your PC to flush DNS and NAT state. This often clears transient 264 triggers. Use a wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band so packets don't drop. Once done, check latency. If it's above 50 milliseconds, the error is more likely network-related. Make sure you have admin rights for the next steps. Now you repair both network state and corrupted client files. First, flush DNS and renew IP. Open command prompt as admin and run ipconfig/flushdns, then ipconfig/renew. That resets name resolution issues that cause 264. Next, uninstall Roblox fully using settings, remove leftover app data entries, and reinstall the latest client so corrupted assets won't trigger the disconnect. Finally, open Roblox TCP and UDP ports, or temporarily place your device in DMZ if NAT type blocks peers. This increases reliability. Finish by testing in a private server that isolates plugins and crowded servers that can provoke 264. If disconnects continue, collect Roblox client logs and network traces. These show timeout patterns and packet loss. Change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to rule out resolution throttling. If you still see error 264, try a different network like a phone hotspot. When it works there, the ISP or router is the culprit. Keep one key tip. Restoring a router to defaults often clears hidden filters, causing 264.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.